Hello everyone, welcome to CareerDeed and myself Mohan. At this session, we are going to discuss some of the Infosys model, syllogism and puzzle problems. And if you are preparing for Infosys, definitely this session will be helpful for you to boost up your scores. Now entering into first question. So here you have a number puzzle, right? So you can look at the three figures here. So you can name these figures A, B and C for our convenience, right? So we can name it as A, B and C. Now, if you look at the numbers, you have 4, 124 and 26. Now, could you able to relay these numbers? Now, if you could able to relay this number, then this problem is really simple. So we haven't followed any simplification process. Now, if you look 124, 124 and 26. Now, which is the nearest cube number to 124? We have 125. And which is the nearest square number to 26? We have 25. And here you have 5, right? So instead of 4 plus 1, you get 5. Now we have a relationship between this number, right? So 5 square is 25, 5 cube is 125. Now here you have 4 plus 1, 5, right? So this one should be 6 plus 1, you get 7. Then 7 cube will be 343. So 342 is 1 lesser comparing to 343. And next, this should be 49 because 7 square is 49, right? And next, what will become at the place of x? So here it is 5, 7, and the next odd number will be 9. Right, so 9 cube, you have to get 729. So instead of 729, 729 minus 1, you get 728. So here you have to get 9 square, 81. So instead of 81, you have to mark 82. So 81 plus 1, you get 82. So answer for x is 9 and answer for y is 82. So for this, you have to be thorough with squares and cube numbers. So if you understand the relationship between first and second square, first and second figure, you can easily answer the third figure, right? So this is completely related to number puzzle. Now moving to question number 3. Yes, so here you have a puzzle and again it is a number puzzle. So if you want to work out, so please pause the video for 10 to 20 seconds, then again play the video. Okay, I hope you are with answers. So here you totally have 4 equations, right? So equation number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you have to find the value of question mark. Now where to start? So you can start with equation number 2 because this is simple. You have the same circles, right? So you have same variables, same values here, right? So you can name this circle x, right? So x plus x plus x, 3x. So 3x equivalent to 27. Then what will be the value of x? Value of x is 9. So instead of circle, you can mark it as 9. So 9 plus 9 plus 9, you get 27. So with this, you can easily solve first equation. So instead of circle, you can mark it as 9. Then you have to find the four-sided figure, right? Okay, you have a diamond. So you can mark this diamond as y. So 2y plus 9 equal to 29. So you get 2y value equivalent to 20. Then what is the value of y? So value of y equivalent to 10, right? So value of y equivalent to 10. So instead of diamond, you can mark it as 10. Now we found the value of circle is 9 and value of diamond is 10. Now we can substitute the value of circle here, 9 plus 9, and value of diamond is 10. So with this, you can find the value of square. So instead of square, you can take it as z, right? So it is 10 plus. So according to Bodemar's rule, we have to solve braces first, right? So 9 plus 9, you get 18. So 18 into z, 18z equivalent to 82. So 18z equivalent to 72. So value of z will be equivalent to 72 by 18. So 72 by 18, we get 4. Now you found the value of square is equivalent to 4. So substitute 4 here, and instead of circle 9 and instead of diamond, you get 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10, 20. So 20 divided by 4, 5. 5 plus 9, we get 14. So the value of question mark is equivalent to 14. So this type of questions are also important in Infosys. Now moving to question number 3. Yes, so here you have a quantitative aptitude question. Find the ratio of milk to water in a mixer that gives 40% profit when selling at the cost price of the milk. And you have 4 options. So usually we try to solve this problem using mixer and allocation or profit and loss. But I have a short trick to solve this problem. This will definitely helpful for you. See, here you have some milk, right? We don't know what is the actual quantity of milk and what is the cost price of the milk. but you are adding some water in it and you are selling the milk to same cost price and getting a 40% profit, right? For example, assume you have 100 liters of milk and you are adding, okay, 100 liter of milk costing, so this is for an example, right? So 100 liter of milk costing 100 rupees. So actually you have to sell it for 140 rupees to gain a 40% profit. But you are selling, but you are adding some water and selling 100 liters for 100 rupees. However, you are getting a 40% profit, right? So actually this 40% is profit because of what? 40% is profit because of water only, right? Because of water only you are getting 40% profit. Then what is the actual cost price of milk in that mixer? So the actual cost price of milk is actually 100% only, but you are getting a 40% profit. So this 100% is the milk price and water is 40%, right? So what is 100 is to 40? So 100 is to 40, while cancelling we get 0 0 cancel and 5 is to 2. So answer for this question is 5 is to 2. So this is really simple, right? You don't need to work with mixture and allegation or profit or loss. You don't need to go like that. It's really simple. Or you have another shortcut, right? By looking the answer itself, you can easily identify. So what is the shortcut? Now find the ratio of milk to water. So here the ratio is given in milk and water, right? So the first part is milk and second part is water, right? See, you are getting a 40% profit from the actual cost price 100% only. So what is the cost price here? That is the value of milk, right? From the milk only you are getting a profit, right? So here the actual cost price of milk is 5. From that you are getting a 2 parts profit. So this is 2 by 5 into 100. You get, okay, so while cancelling you get 20. So 20 into 2 you get 40%, right? 40% is profit. So obviously answer is A, 5 is to 2. See, for this type of problems you don't need to waste the time, right? So when you save the time you can easily score good marks. Now moving to question number 4. Syllogism is really important problem, and these type of models are frequently they are asking in Infosys. You have some statements and you have 5 conclusions. See, with this statement you have to choose which are all the conclusions true, right? So you have to assume all the statements correct. Now all violet is orange. See, all violet is orange. All violet is inside orange. All violet is inside orange. Some orange is time. Some orange is related to time. And some time is women. And no women are boy. No relationship between women and boy. And some boy are apple. Some boy are apple. We don't know whether there is a relationship between apple and women or apple and time or apple and orange, something like that. We don't know any relationship between apple and other variables. Now we have to find which are all the conclusions true and which are all false. Now all violet being women is a possibility. So they said all violet inside women is a possibility. So they are giving in possibility. So definitely we can't establish any relationship between violet and women as per the statements, but they are giving in possibility. So possibility means, so we can also plot a picture like this, right? So here also some, see, they said that some part of time is related to women. So you can also draw women like this. So here also some women are time, right? And as per the given conclusion, all violet being women inside is possibility. That is, all violet inside women is possibility. So if it is given in possibility, then it is correct. But if they definitely say all violet is women, then it is wrong. So if it is given in possibility, first conclusion is correct. Next, some time is not boy. So some time is not related to boy. So definitely this is correct, because so here there is no relationship between women and boy. So this part is having relationship with time. So definitely this part will not be related to boy, right? So this part will not be related to any part of the boy. So we can say some time is not boy, right? Because this part is time as well as women. So this part will not be belongs to boy. So definitely second conclusion is correct. Next, coming to third conclusion, some violet is women. So some violet is related to women. See, as per the statement, we can't establish any relationship between violet and women. So definitely we can't say some part of violet is related to women. So definitely it is wrong. So if they give some violet is women is possible, then it is correct. but they haven't given it as possible. So definitely third conclusion is wrong. Now coming to fourth conclusion, all women being orange is a possibility. So all women inside orange is a possibility, right? So they are giving in possibility. See, some part of orange is related to time. See, all time can be inside orange. Similarly, all women can be inside orange. So you can also draw time like this and orange like this. So this is also possible, right? So here also some part of time is related to orange and some time is related to women. So all women can be inside orange is a possibility. So if it is possibility, then definitely it is correct. So our fourth conclusion is also correct. Next, all time being violet is a possibility. See, all time inside violet is a possibility, right? So as per the given statement, we can't establish any relationship between violet and time, but they are giving in possibility. So possibility means it can happen, it may happen. So all time being violet is a possibility. So this one is also true, right? So usually in Infosys you will be provided with checkbox, so you have to click the checkbox and click the submit button. So even if you make a single option wrong, then your answer is wrong, right? Now moving to fourth question. Okay, so this question is related to syllogism, and this type of questions are really popular in Infosys, and I believe this question might be helpful for you. So you have how many statements? 6 statements. All roses are beautiful, no fire are roses, some beautiful are fire, some beautiful are water, some roses are water, and all water are fire. Now, how to solve these options? Now, if you have F, B, E, so here you have F, B, and E. So how you can solve? So you have to take the first two variables as statement. For example, so here you have F and B, right? So first one is F is the first statement, B is the second statement, and E should be the conclusion, right? So E should be the conclusion. So for each option, you have to draw picture. See, if you take option A, so in option A, you have F, B, E. So F is first statement, B is second statement, and E is conclusion. So you have to find which of the following option logically follows. See, what is F? All water are fire. See, all water are inside fire. So this is first statement. All water are inside fire. And next, you have B. No fire or roses. There is no relationship between fire and roses as per the second statement. Now you have conclusion E. What is given in conclusion E? Some roses are water. See, here it is given some roses are related to water. So this is logically wrong. So how you can say some roses are water? So option A is definitely wrong. Next, coming to option B. Option B, it is given CAE. So what is first statement? C. Some beautiful are fire. So here you have some beautiful are fire. Next, you have A. All roses are beautiful. All roses are inside beautiful. All roses are inside beautiful. Next, E. So E is some roses are water. See, there is no variable water in these statements, right? So you can't establish relationship between roses and water. So definitely option B is also wrong. Now coming to option C, you have E, B, C. So what is E? Some roses are water. So some roses are water. And when coming to statement 2, it's B, right? So B, no fires are roses. No fire are roses. No relationship between fire and roses. Now coming to conclusion, C, some beautiful are fires. There is relationship between beautiful and fire, but we don't have beautiful in the two statements, right? So definitely C will not follow. So obviously D have to be answered, but however we shall verify, right? So F, D, C. So what is F? All water are fire. All water are inside fire. All water are inside fire. Next, D. Some beautiful are water. So some beautiful are related to water. Next, coming to conclusion. Conclusion is C. Some beautiful are fire. They said some beautiful are related to fire. So at this part, water, fire, and beautiful, everything is related. So definitely you can say some beautiful are related to fire from this picture, right? So definitely answer for this question is option D, F, D, C. And this type of questions are really important in Infosys, right? So I hope you understood some of the concept related to syllogism and number puzzles, right? So I will try to upload some more problems in upcoming sessions. Until that, stay connected with CareerDeed training solutions. And if you follow some other different strategies, so please try to communicate in comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching and share the video to your friends. Have a nice day.